All right, I think we have come very far on some of the things here, and we will come back later on for the comments when we make the comment section. But right now, I want to see how things look, right? We want to go ahead and let's go to add post and let's create one post here. And I'm gonna go online actually, and I'm gonna go to Loring Ibsen, and I'm gonna get some information out of here, some dummy text. And the reason why I'm doing this because I want to show you, but you can easily write some dummy text in your text editor. I'll show you in a minute, but right now we're gonna get some dummy text for this right here. So right there. All right. So post title would be something like best PHP course ever, right? And the category, of course, we need to display that information here so that way we can add it. So that's one of the things that we need to add. But right now we're just gonna say category 40 or something like that. We might get an error since we can't display that on the other side. Let's just say Edwin Diaz, post status draft. I just want to check something out before we go ahead and continue. I wanted to check how things look outside on the blog section, all right? So that's what we're going to be doing. PHP and best, something like that. Publish. Let's go to the site. Let's look at it. And as you can see here, we do have some posts showing already. We have the title here, which doesn't go anywhere. We're gonna make that go somewhere, but that's gonna be after we finish all this administration in the back. We're gonna be adding some of these features. All right, the most important thing is getting that CRUD ready. Create, read, update, and delete ready on the CMS. Once we get that ready, then we start adding little features like clicking on the titles, going to that specific post, showing the comments, those nice graphs that I showed you in the beginning. Um, like going to a profile when you click on certain things. I mean, those things are extra features, and we're gonna be adding them. We need to also uh, truncate this, make it smaller because we don't want to show all the content right here, right? As a matter of fact, we can do that right now. Let's go ahead and do that. As a matter of fact, actually, we will do that in the next video. Right now, I want to worry about something else right here. So we see that on the post section right here, on the add post, we have this category here. Let's make this display the category title here so that way we can submit it with it, right? We can't submit it. We can't see it here when we edit it. That's fine. We can see it, but we need to add that same functionality on the other side when we add it. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, what we need to do is copy basically what we got there, right? So I think we have it here on the edit and right here, right? We select the categories. We have a selection right here. Let's copy this whole thing even with the form group. That would be nice, right? If we can get all this functionality working there on the view all post page. All right, so we have that in categories. Oh, this is not the view all page. We need to get it on the index. Let's go to the index of the website and what we got on the index. We are displaying all this information here. Hold on. No, I thought we were doing this, the truncating. We're not doing that. All right, we're not doing that. We are fixing. Let's go to admin. We're fixing this add post, so we need to go to the add post page. Sorry about that. Let's go to that, and we got that in the includes in admin folder, and in includes we got the add post. All right, and we have it right here. So we are going to be pasting that right there with that whole div. You saw that? I'm gonna do undo. We have this phone group already selected, and we just paste it there. All right. So now, right here, this post category needs to go in there. When we check it right here, create post, we need to find it right here somewhere. Post category right here. take that out, and that's all I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna leave this the same. All right. So that field, that value is gonna go in there. Let's make sure the value is fine. We got a cat ID here. Do we have are we displaying the categories here? We're not displaying the categories, so we got to be careful with that. So what value are we going to be sending to for this if we don't have the category? We need to get that. Let me see. Cat title. Actually, we have it right here. Sorry, guys. Cat title. All right, we're going to send it with that. And we need to send it in the insert. So in the insert, we need to change that. Category title values. Let's get to the post comment count right here. So actually that whole thing is going in there. That's perfect. We're good. We're good. Actually, we don't need to do anything. All right. So let's check it out. Perfect. Let's make a new post. How about that? All right. So example post number 1000, because we made like 1000 posts already. Let's do it in Java, and let's say the name of the author is James, and post status is draft. Let's say publish. Why draft? Let's just make this publish right here. We have all those keywords right here. Post image. Let's just make another great image. How about my name right there? Nice, right? And post tags, Edwin Diaz. And content, some content from Edwin Diaz in big bold letters. You don't have to write that, by the way. Publish. Let's look at it from the front. Refresh. And we got it right here. See that? Perfect. And let's see in the back to see we got the categories too. Let's go back to the back of the website, admin right here. Let's check it out, view post, and we have the Java category. Let's go and update that and change it to something else. To procedural, actually to example category. Change the image here and draft. Remember the example post number 1000. Update. Come back here. And example category right there. We updated that, and we updated the category. Let's make one last post, and that's it. Example post 200. Let's put OOP, object oriented programming. Really cool subject. We're going to be touching on that, or maybe the next course that I make. We're going to be doing something totally in object oriented programming, which is cool. All right. So the post author would be maybe Amit, and post status would be publish. All right, and let's just say bootstrap. And I just don't have any more pictures, guys. All right, so I might get some more pictures, but this is just placeholders. All right, this is a OOP course with bootstrap. All right, update. All right, that's send it in, and perfect. Look at that. OOP. We are worth a lot right now, my friend. So if you are able to do this right now, and you are working in a job related to web development, they should raise your salary. If you're not working, you should be able to find a job very easily in web development, at least entry level, if you got this far and you know how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, do it 1,000 times until you get it right. All right? Be motivated, because this is big time. You're building a CMS right now, so keep that in mind. We even got the date. We got everything here, all right? We're going to be continuing our lecture on the next video. And hopefully you are feeling good about yourself. All right. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.